Happy 2020. This is Pamela from Health, Weight, and Real Talk. I hope your New Year's Eve and your New Year's Day was wonderful and you had a lot of fun. Now, I'm not going to start off 2020 talking about resolutions. I don't think they'll work. I mean, if you go to the gym now, it's going to be jam-packed and you have to wait online to get a machine. Because all these people who made their resolutions about I'm going to lose 20 pounds in 30 days and all this other foolishness. And because you're going to see by the end of February, beginning of March, those people are going to be gone. When I used to go to a gym, that's what I would see all the time. This is not what I'm talking about. What I'm talking about is starting fresh, to go out of the gate with a head start. I am going to start 2020 doing a 3-day detox. I'm going to do Dr. Oz 3-day detox cleanse. I'm going to chronicle it. I can't talk right now, I don't know why. I'm going to tape it for 3 days. This is the first day. And I'm going to let you know how I feel, what's going on. I'm kind of like in a review. So right now I'm going to show you the ingredients, all the stuff that I bought to start this cleanse. Here we go. Okay, everybody, these are the ingredients that I'm going to use to complete this 3-day detox cleanse created by Dr. Oz. So here's quickly the shopping list. 3 cups of raspberry, there you are. 3 cups of blueberry, 2 mangoes. I don't eat mangoes a lot unless my mother is here. She likes them. I think they're kind of bitter, but it's going to be interesting. Let's see, what else? 2 green apples, 1, 2, 6 lemons, and 3 limes. 6 cups of kale. I can get 6 cups out of that. 1 avocado. I've never eaten avocado before. Gonna be interesting. 2 cucumbers. It's 2 cucumbers and a half because the other day I made a salad and I wanted some cucumbers, so there. 1 cup of spinach. Let's see. I bought 2. Probably a little bit too much. I'll just use, after I do this cleanse, I'll just, make spinach for a dinner or something. Let's see. Stalks of celery. Here is celery. I use celery for soups or if for Thanksgiving I'm making a stuffing. Other than that, I don't use celery, but I'm going to have to use it for a smoothie. Coconut water, sorry. Never drank that. This is going to be interesting. I hope it tastes good. I don't like coconut, so we'll see. Almond milk. I've had almond milk before for a smoothie, but never this brand. Cayenne peppers now on the table. I have to buy that tomorrow. Flax seeds. How much flax seeds am I going to use? About 6 tablespoons. I love flax seeds, because I use them in my yogurt or sometimes my oatmeal. Green tea. Yeah, I love my green tea. And we're going to use stevia in the raw organic. Doesn't have to be organic, but it was on sale at the store, so I bought it. Now for the stuff that's not food, when you have to take a detox ultra bath. So they want you to use 2.5 cups of Epsom salt, and I couldn't get the lavender oil. I couldn't find it anywhere, so I got this. So sometimes you have to substitute. That's okay. And the supplements you have to take. You have to take omega every day. You have to split this multivitamin. You have to split it. So 1 multivitamin split in half. So you take 1 in the morning, 1 in the night, and a probiotic for your tummy. So all this stuff is going to help me cleanse my body and start my 2020 in a healthy direction. Now that you've seen a little bit what the Dr. Oz 3-day detox cleanse is and the ingredients that I'm using, this is now day 1. I'm starting off day 1. I'm gonna leave the sheet. This is the sheet that I have, that I printed out. And I'm gonna leave a link below to the sheet, to the 3-day detox. And today I'm starting off the morning. You have to do a morning detox tea, which I have, green tea. See? Green tea. It's green tea, 1 slice of lemon, 1 tablespoon of stevia. And after that, there's a breakfast drink and multivitamins, lunch drink, multivitamins, another snack, dinner drink. Then at the end is a detox ultra bath. Now, I'm not going to film every step. I'm going to film the beginning, which is the morning. I have detox tea. It tastes good. Usually I have tea with green tea with either stevia or equal, lemon and honey. Now, what I want to do this year for the rest of my life actually is to level off the sugar. That means honey and artificial sugar. So the stevia I have that I'm using is organic, even though it doesn't say you have to use organic sugar. It's organic. And it's kind of sweet. It's 1 tablespoon. And it's kind of sweet. So next time I have it for tomorrow, I'm going to cut the stevia in half. So, when you do these things, you have to kind of tailor it to your taste. Because if something's a little bit too sweet, a little bit too bitter, you could take some out, some in. Even though this says 1 tablespoon of stevia, I'm probably going to do like a half tomorrow. And tonight, just before I do the, the Detox Ultra Bath, I will give you a review of how I'm feeling and what's going on and everything like that. So I will see you tonight, day 1. Hi guys, this is the end of day 1 of the 3-day Dr. Oz Detox Cleanse that I'm doing. And so far so good. I haven't felt any hunger pains. I haven't had any cravings for anything salty or sweet like chocolate or anything. I think this detox cleanse works for me right now because of the 4 drinks we have to do. We have drink for breakfast, lunch, snack, and dinner, and they're heavy in vegetables, and there's some fruit in them, but mostly in vegetables and also almond milk. So I think the density of the vegetables is what's keeping me full and I'm not hungry. Because sometimes I do go to bed hungry. It's not because I don't have any food. It's because I miscalculated. I had a big salad or I had a big sandwich. And when I come home, I'm not that hungry. So instead of eating a decent meal, I'll have a smoothie or I'll have a soup. And then around 11 o'clock, 11:30, my stomach is growling like crazy. And I can't sleep when my stomach is growling. So then I have to find something to eat that's not heavy. You shouldn't eat heavy food before you go to bed. So I'll make a hot chocolate, or if I have some fruit in the house, I'll eat that, or I'll munch on some crackers, and I really don't like doing that. So I'm glad that I don't feel hungry, because I was fearing that I was going to feeling hungry, but I'm not feeling hungry. So I'm going to take the last step is the Ultra Detox Bath. I'm going to be using Epsom salt. See, it has lavender. I didn't see that when I picked it up, but okay. And 10 drops of lavender oil. If you saw earlier the stuff that I showed that I'm using, you would see that I didn't have lavender oil and I couldn't find it anywhere. So I picked this up. So I'm going to have lavender upon lavender on my bath tonight. So I am going to get back to you guys tomorrow afternoon and let you know what's going on. And then the last one, I will do another one. I don't know if I'll do it breakfast or evening. Probably evening. So I will see you tomorrow, day 2 of Dr. Oz Detox Cleanse. See ya. Hi everybody, it's day 2 of the Dr. Oz Detox Cleanse that I'm on. So far, so good. Last time I talked to you, I was getting ready to take that Ultra Detox Bath. It was great. It was smooth. It was relaxing. I loved it. I slept very well. However, this morning I woke up with a terrible headache. Now, I don't know if that's the way I slept or has anything to do with detox. I'm not going to put it on it, but all I know is that I had to stay in bed a little while longer for the headache to go away. The only thing I don't like about this sun cleanse is the lunch drink. The lunch drink has celery and almond milk. Now I made it with a glass that was this big, good size, and I used the exact amount, 1 cup, half a cup of everything, and it was overwhelmed with the taste of almond and celery and everything else. It was pineapple, kale, green apple. Those ingredients I didn't taste at all. So today I just made with half of the celery and half of the almond milk, and it tastes great. I was able to taste everything. And another thing is I'm not hungry because these drinks, and you have to have 4 of them, are very, to use the word, meaty. They're very thick, so you don't feel hungry, you feel full. Now I just finished today, it's like 5:36. And a little while ago I just finished my lunch, and I'm supposed to have a snack drink, but I'm still full, so I'm gonna skip the snack drink and have the dinner drink around 7:30. And that's another drink that's very full. These drinks, I think, like I said before, because they have vegetables in them, they're very thick. And they're almost like a milkshake thick. And they're very delicious and they're very good. And so far so good. Day 2, I'm not climbing up the walls and I'm doing great. Tomorrow's the last day. I don't know if I'm going to film in the morning, afternoon, or evening. Probably midday I'll film. I will see you guys tomorrow, day 3. Hi everybody, this is day 3, final day of the Dr. Oz Cleanse Detox that I'm doing, and I'm so glad it's here. This has been a really good experience for me. It's made me become in tune with my body. It made me see that my body responds well to being bombarded with vegetables, lots of healthy juices. It's very windy out here. You may hear the wind. It's very windy out here in New York. And the pain that I have some chronic pain. I didn't have that much, and I have some allergies. I never had to take an allergy pill during this 3-day process. The only time I messed up was yesterday. If you can go back day 2, I say to you that it's 5:30. I'm supposed to have a snack drink, but I'm still full for the lunch drink, so I'll skip it. Bad mistake, because at 6:15, my stomach started growling. I mean, it was just ferocious. And I said to myself that I wasn't going to have the dinner drink till 7:30, so I held on with gritted teeth to 7:30. That was my fault. I am going to do this again. And next time I do it, I'm never going to have all the drinks, regardless if I'm 100% full or not. This is a good foundation for me to start 2020, to start eating healthy, because tomorrow I'm going to start my January clean eating. And this is just a foundation to go further and further to eat healthy and healthier. I hope you enjoyed this journey that I shared with you. And I hope you try it. And you know what? I'm going to do this again. I'm going to do this maybe again in March. And now I know what to expect. And now I know what to do and what not to do. So thank you for watching this video. Please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. And I will see you later.